Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm doing the What I Eat in a Day series. So I'll be showing you exactly what I ate from the time I woke up until bedtime and talking about my intermittent fasting journey. Let's get started. Okay, so it's currently 6 a.m. and I just woke up. I have been sleeping for the past 9 hours or so, and I'm feeling really rested. It's honestly one of the best times of the day, because I don't have to think about anything. I can just enjoy my coffee and plan out my day. I guess just kind of like reflect a little bit on the previous day and think about some goals I want to achieve that day. So I usually wake up between 6 to 6:30 a.m. every morning, and I'm a very light sleeper. So I usually hear the birds, and then I naturally just start waking up. I don't use an alarm clock anymore because I just found that it's more disruptive to your sleep cycle. If you can try not to use an alarm clock and instead wake up naturally, I definitely recommend it. It's been really good for me. I will start off my morning with a glass of water. I usually fill up my bottle the night before and just leave it on my bedside table so that it's there when I wake up. And this is something that has been shown to help aid digestion and also increase your metabolism. Then I'll go into my kitchen and make myself a cup of black coffee. I don't add any cream or sugar to my coffee, and I usually drink it black. But sometimes I do add a little bit of stevia, which is a natural sweetener. And I'll take my cup of coffee over to my desk, where I do most of my work, and I'll just sit here for a few minutes and respond to emails, check my social media, and kind of just catch up on the news and see what is going on in the world. It's currently 7 a.m. and I haven't really thought about food yet. I still have plenty of time before my eating window starts, and I'm not really hungry at all. I usually get hungry around lunchtime. So right now, I'm just focusing on getting some work done. It's about 12:30 p.m. now, and it's time for lunch. I'm feeling pretty hungry after working for a few hours straight, and I am really looking forward to my meal. My intermittent fasting window is from 12:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. So I have a 7.5 hour eating window, and during that time I try to eat as healthily as possible. For lunch, I'm having one of my favorite meals, which is grilled chicken salad. I'll have about 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast and a large mixed green salad with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, black olives, and a lemon vinaigrette dressing. Chicken is such a great protein source, and the salad is full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's also really hydrating. I love having salads for lunch because they keep me full for a long time, and I don't feel hungry by the time dinner rolls around. After lunch, I usually go for a walk, and I find that this really helps with digestion and helps me burn off some extra calories. It's about 4 p.m. now, and I'm feeling a little bit hungry. In between my meals, I usually try to stay away from sugary snacks and processed foods and stick to healthier options like fruits and vegetables. A lot of times I'll just have some berries or an apple. But today, I'm craving something a little bit more substantial. So I'm going to stop by the grocery store and pick up some ingredients for a snack. When I get home, I'll wash and cut up some carrots and celery, and then dip them in some hummus. This is such a satisfying snack, and it's a great way to get some extra protein and fiber. I also picked up some hard-boiled eggs, which are a great source of protein and healthy fats. While I was at the grocery store, I also grabbed a few different vegetables for dinner, including broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. And I picked up some ground turkey, which is lean and high in protein. I'll add these vegetables to my meal plan for the week. It's about 7 p.m. now, and it's time to start cooking dinner. I really enjoy cooking, and I love experimenting with new recipes. I'm making one of my favorite meals tonight, which is ground turkey stir-fry. I'll start by cutting up the vegetables and then add them to a pan with some olive oil. I'll season the vegetables with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic and cook them until they're tender. Then I'll add the ground turkey and cook it through. Finally, I'll add some brown rice and serve it all together. I find that cooking a big batch of food is really helpful for intermittent fasting because it keeps me from getting hungry late at night. I usually eat until I'm full, but not too full. And then I put away the rest of the food for leftovers throughout the week. After dinner, I like to relax and watch TV for a little while before bed. I might brush my teeth and get ready for bed. And then I'll start winding down. I usually read a book for a little while before my eyes get droopy, and it's easy to go to sleep. Overall, my diet consists of mostly whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. I avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. And I try to limit my intake of red meat and dairy. I find that this really helps me feel my best and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Intermittent fasting isn't about restricting calories or depriving yourself of food. It's about giving your body a break from digesting food and allowing it to focus on other important tasks like repairing cells and reducing inflammation. I really enjoy the simplicity of intermittent fasting. I don't have to worry about counting calories or tracking macros. I can just focus on eating healthy foods during my eating window and letting my body do the rest. If you're considering trying intermittent fasting, I highly recommend it. It's been a game changer for me, and I think it can be for you too. Just start by setting realistic goals and listening to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, and don't be afraid to take breaks when needed. Remember that intermittent fasting is a tool that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. It's not a punishment. Well, that's it for my What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me and seeing what I eat in a typical day. Remember that everyone's dietary needs are different, and what works for me may not work for you. But hopefully this video gave you some ideas for healthy meals and snacks that you can incorporate into your own diet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.